So hello guys, I'm going to be revealing to you people one of the so many shocking tricks or so many shocking options in this trends app that some people won't know. So let's go over to my profile. This is my profile I'll be using for this tutorial. So when you go over to this right hand side, then you go over to your privacy, because I know a whole lot of people love privacy. They love staying private and all that. If you check here, you can actually make your profile to be private by just tapping here. If you tap here, it says switch to the only approved followers will be able to do. So this is for that one. And then go over to mention. They say choose who can mention you to link your profile in their trends, reply, or bio. When they try to mention add something, you can actually set up this stuff to be either nobody, like whenever someone type art and wants to mention your name, the thing will not appear. That's what this option is all about. You can make it to be everybody, so that when someone tap art and then type your name, it will appear. Then the person will mention your name on either his or her profile or a comment post or anywhere at all. Then you can as well make it to be either your profile, people who followed your profile, that is your followers. So that's for the mentioned. And then there is another one, these hidden words. Like you need to, if you can be able to hide offensive words, like people come to their comment sections and then say some offensive words and all that. They can, these trends can be able to hide those comments so that the public or your friends or your other followers won't be able to see it. You can turn it on and you can still turn it off. That's for that. Then it can as well show you under this profile you follow. Under this profile you follow, there is another option here, which is this pending. This pending is about people who you sent to follow, or who you followed and then they didn't get to follow you back. It will be under this pending, and they didn't even get to accept you. It will be under this pending. And then this is the side for people who you are following, and this is the side for people who is following you. So I think with these few things you can be able to know. And again, there's also another option here, which is hide likes. You can be able to hide your likes on Trends app. Once you tap on this, automatically your likes on your post will automatically be invisible. Even if you're having 10,000 likes, they won't be able to see it. So I'm going to turn it back because I would like to be using that features, which is to be seeing my likes and all that. So with that, I guess I'm done with this tutorial. See you next time, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that anytime I drop awesome videos like this, you'll be the first to take part of it. Thank you.